Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. So let's get started. First, open your Cash App application and tap on the user icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down and select Linked Banks. Then tap Link Debit Card, and if you don't have a card linked yet, tap No Card and click Continue to link your bank. Make sure the same bank account is linked to both Zelle and Cash App. Now head back to the Cash App. Tap on the banking icon in the bottom left corner and select Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Zelle to Cash App, then click Add. That's it, guys. Now you have successfully transferred money from Zelle to Cash App. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.